Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap, Indio, local, and long-distance movers near me. After more than 2 decades in the moving business, 3 Movers has become a household name for customers looking for fast, quality service. Every service you'll need for your moving day is on offer. You can count on our licensed movers to always arrive on time, ready to get to work on your big move. Our excellent prices are no secret. Every customer gets a free quote when they hire 3 Movers. Make your next move with 3 Movers. It can be difficult to say goodbye to a place you have called home for a long time. Don't make moving day any harder by packing and moving all on your own. Our expert movers will pack your belongings and keep them safe for the long journey ahead. We provide protective packaging to give you the peace of mind that you deserve. Your new home or office space is just around the corner. A few quick drives with your vehicle and you'll be all moved in. Or will you? If you're planning on moving all by yourself, you're in for a tough few days ahead. Luckily, we specialize in local moves. Give us a few hours and you'll be packed and unpacked into your new space. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Indio moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.